realm of riddles.
Despite bad weather, a corn maze event is being held. None of the 200 attendees returned, prompting your investigation. Soon, you enter the corn maze. After a few turns, you arrive at a central hub. When a cold hand touches you, it's a murderous scarecrow. Quick, there are 5 paths in front of you. The first possible path has a very narrow opening. The second path is barred by a door. The third path has 10 crows flying above it. The fourth path has 20 crows. And the fifth path has 50 crows. Which path maximizes your survival chances? Pause the video now to solve the riddle for yourself. Paths 3 to 5 all have crows flying above them, implying people went through those paths, reached a dead end, where they were taken out by the scarecrow, their remains resulting in lunch for the crows. The second path may be locked, and even if it isn't, you might not have time to open the door before being caught. Finally, the first path is very narrow, meaning it's unlikely any of the 200 victims tried it. It also has no crows, implying no cadavers. In summary, paths 2 to 5 will end in your doom, and path 1 is your most likely chance of escaping the maze, even though you cannot be sure it is not a dead end.